This is DJI Mini 5 Pro, and today I'll show how you can check the current drone's battery temperature on this device. So to start, you will need to enter the flight interface obviously and open settings. By tapping at the three dots you'll find to your top right. Next, select the very first category of settings, that is safety. Now scroll this page down and look for the battery info. Here, as you can see, we can precisely measure or check the battery's temperature measurement, rather. So here it is. Mine is currently at almost 40 degrees Celsius. And well, that's about it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye-bye.